Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add somebody as a friend on Venmo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go to venmo.com and open up the main website. On your mobile phone, just download the application and open it up. So download the Venmo app, and once you have opened it up, we can get started. The first thing we need to do is log in. So if you do not already have an account, you can get started registering for one by clicking Get Venmo right here. You can get started inputting your phone number on your mobile phone. Just go ahead and start the registration process, and once you're done, so you can log in, and now we are getting ready. So once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main page. The main page is going to look something like this. This is going to be the home page from where we can get started. Here we have the home sections, you can see the card section and so on, everything we need, and now we can get started with adding friends. So what do we have to do? First thing, as you can see right here in this article on Venmo.com, we can take a look at how to add friends on Venmo. So basically guys, once you interact with somebody, you go ahead and send them some money and so on, you'll be able to find them and navigate to their user's Venmo profile. So as you can see, to open up the profile and the friends list, you can go to the Me tab. The Me tab is right here in the bottom right corner. You can click the Me tab in the bottom right corner. That's going to open up your settings right here. As you can see, the friends section is right here. So once you open up your friends, you can get started searching for their profile. So they're going to give you their username or email address that you can use to find them on Venmo. So using their email address and their handle right here in their username, you can find them and get started with clicking add friend next to their name. You can then add them, you can remove them from your friends list, do whatever you want. Basically, that's how you get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.